You're staring at two high-end variable speed systems, but one of them is basically a 21 SEER elite athlete, while the other is an 18 SEER regional player with a massive hole in its warranty. If you spend $15,000 on the wrong box today, you're not just losing efficiency. You're losing a 10-year guarantee that says if your compressor fails, the manufacturer gives you a brand new unit instead of just a box of parts. Let's get into the data so you don't end up with an expensive regret sitting on your side yard. I'm HVAC repair guy. I've spent over 17 years in this industry working every angle from service technician and installer to licensed contractor. My background started as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. So I don't look at these units as just metal boxes. I look at them as precision engineered electrical and thermal systems. I've seen what lasts in the field and what breaks down when the heat hits triple digits, and I'm here to give you the straight field truth. Today, we are putting the Fujitsu FOC18 up against the Tempstar T5A1V. Both of these are ultimate tier units, which means they use true variable speed technology for both the condenser fan and the compressor. They aren't just on or off, they ramp up and down like a dimmer switch to maintain a perfect, steady temperature while stripping humidity out of your air. The Fujitsu FOC18 is a solid 18.0 SEER 2 performer. It's built in the USA and features a louvered coil guard and a compressor blanket to keep things quiet at 58 decibels. You get a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty. But here's the catch. Fujitsu offers 0 years of unit replacement. If that compressor grenades in year 9, you're getting a replacement compressor and a big labor bill, not a whole new outdoor unit. Then you look at the Tempstar T5A1V. This is where the engineering gap becomes a canyon. This unit pushes 21.0 SEER 2 efficiency, which is significantly higher than the Fujitsu. Tempstar is part of the International Comfort Products family, meaning it shares the same high-end DNA as Carrier and Bryant. It runs at a whisper quiet 55 decibels, which is noticeably quieter than the Fujitsu when you're sitting on your patio. But the real kicker is the warranty. Tempstar gives you a 10-year, no-hassle replacement limited warranty. If that major component fails, they don't just fix it. They replace the entire outdoor section. From a pricing standpoint, these high-efficiency variable speed systems are an investment. For the Tempstar T5A1V, you're looking at a unit price range of $4,500 to $6,000, with full professional installations typically landing between $12,000 and $16,000 depending on your setup. The Fujitsu FOC18 comes in slightly lower on the equipment cost, usually between $3,000 and $4,500 for the unit, with total installs hitting the $10,000 to $13,000 mark. When you weigh the performance and the protection, the choice is obvious. You're paying for a premium variable speed experience, and the Tempstar gives you more efficiency, less noise, and a massive safety net with that 10-year unit replacement. The Fujitsu is a good machine, but it's outclassed here in every metric that matters to your wallet and your comfort. If you're putting your hard-earned money into a variable speed system, get the one that actually protects your investment. My recommendation is the Tempstar T5A1V. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com